Pull a string a puppet moves by Charles Bukowski. Each man must realize that it can all disappear very quickly. The cat, the woman, the job, the front tire, the bed, the walls, the room. All our necessities, including love, rest on foundations of sand. And any given cause, no matter how unrelated, the death of a boy in Hong Kong or a blizzard in Omaha, can serve as your undoing. All your chinaware crashing to the kitchen floor. Your girl will enter and you'll be standing drunk in the centre of it, and she'll ask, "My God, what's the matter?" And you'll answer, "I don't know. I don't know."